Hi everyone, today we are going to look at the causative verbs. The causative verbs are have, get, make and let. Well, you would say they look the normal verbs. Yes, but when you use it in a causative way, then they have very unique structure and the special purpose. Well, the question is, where can we use the causative verbs? The answer is we always do our activities by ourselves, but sometimes we do not do our activities by ourselves, but we pay someone or convince someone to do something for us. So in such situations we are required to use the causative verbs. Let me understand you through examples. I repaired my car. I get John to repair my car. What is the difference between these two sentences? The difference is when you say I repaired my car, it means you are a mechanic and you have repaired your car by yourself. But when you say I get John to repair my car, it means you went to a workshop and paid the mechanic and he repaired your car for you. So the second sentence is a causative manner. But dear students, all the times we do not pay someone to do something for us, but sometimes we convince someone or give permission to someone or pay someone to do something for us. Keep in mind, every causative verb has specific function and specific way to be used. So let's explain it in detail. Let. The causative verb let is used to give permission to someone to do something. In simple words, when you allow or permit someone to do something. The structure is subject plus let plus object plus base form upward. For example, they let us sit there. Here in this example, the causative verb let is used, and here it means that they allow us or permit us to sit there. Look at the second example. She does not let me see her book. Again, in this sentence, the causative verb is used and it means that she does not permit me to see her book. I can't see her book because she does not allow me. And look at the third example. My father lets us watch TV after dinner. It means that my father gives us permission to watch TV after dinner. Make. The causative verb make is used to force or pressure someone to do something. The structure should be like this: subject plus make plus object plus base form upward. For example, they made him clean the entire house. It means that they forced him to clean the entire house, and by force he cleaned the entire house. Look at another example. She made her children do their homework. Here it means her children were not doing their homework, but when she forced them, then they did their homework. Look at another example. They made students obey the rules. Here it means that the students were forced to follow the school's rules. And look at another causative verb, that is get. The causative verb get is used in a situation to convince someone to do something for you or to pay someone to do something for you. For instance, you are ill and you cannot do something, and you convince someone and he does something for you. So you would use the causative verb get, and the structure would be like this: subject plus get plus object plus infinitive. For example, I got him to sign the permission slip. Here it means that you did not sign the permission slip by yourself, but you convinced someone and he signed for you. So in this manner you can use the causative verb get. I get him to repair my car. Again, in this sentence the causative verb get is used, and it is quite obvious that I did not convince someone but paid the mechanic and he repaired my car. And look at the third example. By the help of it, you will understand. I got the cleaner to clean my house. In this sentence, I did not clean my house, but I paid the cleaner whose job is cleaning and he cleaned my house. So therefore, I didn't do something by myself, but I paid the cleaner and he did the thing for me. Have. The causative verb have is used in a situation when you give responsibility to someone to do something for you. For example, if you assign any responsibility to a person and you don't do something by yourself, but you allow them to do it for you. So in that time you will use the structure like this: subject plus have plus object plus base form of verb. For example, I have my brother complete my work. It means that the task of the completion of the work is assigned to my brother and now it is his responsibility to complete it. Because I have assigned him the responsibility to complete the work. So that is why I used the word have as a causative verb. And look at another example. By this example you will understand. My father had me pick up the guests from the station. It means my father assigned me the responsibility to pick off the guest from the station. And he did not pick off the guest by himself, but he assigned the duty to me and I did it for him. And look at another example. I will have Smith show you the place. It means that I won't show you the place by myself, but I will assign the responsibility to Smith and he will show you the place.